Here is how to block ads on Facebook. Open Facebook app and then tap on three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen if you use iPhone iOS devices. If you use Android devices, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. So basically proceed to menu. Next step, you have two options. So first of all, you can tap on the gear icon over here. Second, if you can't see this gear icon, you should scroll down. In very bottom you will see settings and privacy. Tap on it and then proceed to settings. Alright, once you're here, tap on the search icon at the top right or tap on here. So basically proceed to search and then in search enter ads. Then proceed to add preferences. Once you're here, you should tap on add settings over here and then proceed categories use it to reach you. So basically proceed to it. Once you're here, you should scroll down a little bit and turn off these four options. As you can see, you can turn on or turn off it. Alright, so basically we disable it, then scroll down a little bit and proceed to other categories. Now once you're here, you should remove all these categories. Tap on see all categories and remove one by one. You don't need to save it, you just remove it and close this specific window and go back to use your, then just tap on done and use your Facebook app.